Hello friends, my name is Nirvana and today we will take a dataset and perform some visualization operation on it. First we will store the dataset. Come here and we will select a dataset. My dataset is in desktop. Again, my dataset is movie collection text and open. And first we will see head. Here is the head of dataset and we will see all dataset. This is all dataset. So now we have data. We will perform line graph on it. Here is a syntax. We store data using this, and here is the syntax. Here is our data set and line graph. Now second is box plot. Box plot is first we will take data, movie and budget column, and second is movie price and collection column. Input data is movie price and collection. Print we will print input data. First we will load this and input data we will print. Here is our data. Now box plot. Here is some box plot. Now we will go with bar plot. Bar plot, first collection data variable, and in this collection table value. Okay, and then if this is bar plot, first we store data, and here is our bar plot. Now we will get the mean of this mean of collection column. Here we will select dataset and print a dataset. Here is a mean, and now median. Median is a median function. We will use median function. For mean we will use mean function and print. And for mode we will have to create a function. Function name is get mode, and get mode, here is a function. Enter and get mode here is our function, and collection is our table name data, and we will print result and print result. 26,800 is our mode. Here are some more visualization options. First we will budget column will store in X, and collection column will store in Y. Here is a plot is line plot, and we'll enter. Here this is a zero correlation, and second one is histogram. Histogram we will store the budget column in V, and here is a syntax of histogram, and here is our histogram. Now pie chart. Pie chart we first in a same is a histogram, data store in pie chart, and then syntax, and here is our pie chart. Then pie 3D chart, same. First we will have to install package Plotrix. We will wait for installing. Okay, installed. Now we will use library Plotrix, data, store data, production expenses, and pie 3D chart. Here is our pie 3D chart. That's it for it. Thank you.